In just a little bit of good news, this is the kind of stuff I kind of like to see. Lockbit ransomware gang hacked. Victim negotiations exposed. This is kind of nice. I kind of like seeing a hack being used against people who unethically use hacking to ruin people's lives. So I'm kind of glad to see this. The Lockbit ransomware gang has suffered a data breach after its dark web affiliate panels were defaced and replaced with a message linking to a MySQL DB dump. All of the ransomware gang's admin panels now state, "Don't do crime. Crime is bad. Love XOXO from Prague." With a link to download a panel db dump.zip. Kind of like to see this. This is kind of nice. Hackers be hacked. And Prague, which is, the typical place that you see in movies for like where spies go to do undercover stuff. This is nice. I like the web design, simple and straightforward. Pure HTML, bro. Pure HTML. This is peak web design. So as first spotted by the threat actor Ray, this archive contains a SQL file dumped from the site affiliate panel's MySQL DB. So there are, oh, hang on. Is this white hats versus black hats? We'll get into it. A BTC addresses table that contains 59,975 unique Bitcoin addresses. Guys, if you're looking to make some money, get to it right now. Go get this. A builds table contains the individual builds created by affiliates for attacks. Table rows contain the public keys, but no private keys, unfortunately. The targeted companies' names are also listed for some of the builds. A builds configurations table contains the different configurations used for each build, such as which ESXi servers to skip or files to encrypt. A chats table is very interesting, as it contains 4,442 negotiation messages between the ransomware operation and victims from December 19th to April 29th. And you can see some of the chats right there. So it's a little bit of an insight into how these things work. There is a users table. It lists 75 admins and affiliates who had access to the affiliate panel, with Michael Gillespie spotting that passwords were stored in plain text. What were some of the passwords, one might ask? Weekend Lover 69. Moving Bricks 69 420. And Lockbit Proud 231. Sorry, 231. So somewhere around April 29th, this data got dumped, and it is unclear who carried this out and how it was done. But the defacement message matches the one used in a recent breach of Everest Ransomware's dark website, suggesting a possible link. Now, this is kind of interesting. We'll get to that in a second. Furthermore, the phpMyAdmin SQL dump shows that the server was running PHP 8.1.2, which is vulnerable to critical and actively exploited vulnerability tracked as CVE 2024-4577 that can be used to achieve remote code execution on servers. So just as a little aside as part of this article, if you are using PHP anywhere, please keep in mind that there is a security issue that's out there. We don't know whether this is the one that was used, but it is a possibility. So just keep an eye on that.